It's all the new construction. It's the casinos and golf courses. It's all California. Many believe those and several other myths are true about water resources in Southern Nevada. However, we do the research and have the facts. It's time to tap the truth. I'm Colby Pellegrino, the Deputy General Manager of Resources for the Southern Nevada Water Authority. Today's topic is, I had a leak and now I have a huge water bill. Why can't we do something to help with my huge water bill? Well, there's actually a lot that can be done to help with your huge water bill, and it depends on which water utility your bill comes from. All of our member agencies have programs designed to offset the cost of a leak. For example, the water district is able to go in and identify the amount of bill that comes from the leak and reverse the charges associated with that. So if you have a really large water bill and you think you have a leak, one of the best places to start is with your utility. All of the utilities have guidance that helps find and locate leaks, along with programs that help lower the cost of a bill that's associated with a leak. We, as the SNWA, have created a program where when you're struggling to identify where a leak is at, we will actually rebate some of the cost of the leak detection and repair. But you have to be referred into that program by your utility, so they're the best place to start. In addition, there may be other assistance programs offered by your specific utility. For example, the Las Vegas Valley Water District also has an additional leak repair rebate where they will pay up to $1,000 of the cost of repairing a large and expensive leak. This program is actually funded by the revenues we collect from the excessive use charge. Another thing I would mention is that we are working with several nonprofits throughout the community to help with the cost of repairs for low-income and senior citizens in our community. You can find out more about these programs online on our websites. If you'd like to learn more about many other water myths and the truth behind them, you can find us on YouTube at SNWA Video, or click the link on your screen to access more episodes.